This is Nihat's palace. Palace for kings. Where I'm staying. Yeah. The biggest house I've ever seen.
Bigger than president's house?
Yeah, bigger than the president's house. And the president is Nihat's neighbour.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah.
Are you bad?
You okay? Okay. The scenery of Cyprus. On a sunny day, early morning. Oh my gosh.